Did you hear that? Well, this is a problem that never leaves me. Friends, I am someone who suffers from chronic allergic rhinitis, which means I've got allergies to dust, to changing weather, the pollen grains, even stress and lack of sleep increase my problem of recurrent rhinitis or else recurrent cold problem. Now, I know that I'm not alone. There are many people in this world who suffer from the same problem, as common cold is a problem which affects the highest number of people in this world. And blocked nose is one such problem that affects the quality of life drastically. And I am a live example of it. Due to blocked nose, you can speak properly, you can communicate properly, and sometimes due to this blocked nose, you can't sleep properly. But I have found one very good technique which is instantly effective for me to get rid of this blocked nose. And that method is called as Buteyko method. What is Buteyko method? From where does this come from? And what exactly is involved in this method? And what are the benefits of following this method? I'm going to share all of that in today's video. So, if you are someone who is suffering from allergic rhinitis, recurrent common cold, or else if you are suffering from asthma, this information is going to be helpful for you. So, make sure to stay tuned with me till the end of this video. Let's begin. Friends, Buteyko method is a rehabilitation or else a lifestyle, it's a breathing technique. The focus is on breathing re-education as well as lifestyle management. This is not something that cures the problem, but is something that enables a person who is suffering from either chronic asthma or else any kind of chronic upper respiratory problems to deal with the breathing issues normally. Breathing problem can lead to a lot of health implications in future. Hence, if you want to deal with this problem, we need practical solutions. And Buteyko method helps you in providing that practical solution. But before starting of what exactly this method is, let's understand some background behind it. This breathing activity basically focuses on breathing re-education. The aim is to reduce the disordered breathing and focus on allowing gentle and breathing that happens at a normal pace, in a way that the breathing should become efficient enough. The techniques mostly include the exercise to clear your nose, to manage the symptoms and reduce the unnecessary coughing, and certain advices and suggestions on lifestyle modification where the focus is on stress management, maintaining a healthy weight, healthy eating, and exercise promotion. The basic principles of Buteyko method of breathing is: the exercise program should first start with breathing exercise, gentle and normal breathing from nose. According to this method, mouth breathing is something which is not at all advisable and should not be encouraged. On contrary, the patient should be discouraged to use mouth breathing as an alternative way of breathing, as mostly the nose is blocked. Patients or else people have the tendency to mouth breathe often. So that's why the first step is to discourage mouth breathing using exercises and other techniques. The next step is nose clearing exercise. Mostly nose breathing is not possible just because of blocked nose. Hence, here nose clearing exercise is advised to the patient so that the nasal pathways are clear and the patient is able to breathe normally from the nose. Nose clearing exercise are very important and should be done for 1 to 2 minutes. 2 or 3 times in a day, depending on how often the nose blocking problem is existing. And then the focus is on relaxed breathing technique, again with focus on the nasal breathing and avoiding mouth breathing. And the fourth principle that is incorporated in Buteyko method of breathing is the pause control. The control pause. So this control pause has got 2 functions. First, it allows a person to measure the progress of how much this exercises is helping and how the person is progressing and is able to reduce the symptoms of nasal block as well as asthma. And the second is to quickly produce air hunger in the body at the start of each phase or else each cycle of Buteyko exercise. Keeping all these principles in mind, an exercise regime is designed for a person who is either suffering from chronic allergic rhinitis to recurrent blocked nose and even for asthmatic patients. Now, why Buteyko method? What are the benefits of it? Now, Buteyko method comes with certain benefits. These benefits are: it improves exercise tolerance of a person. It reduces mucus production. It provides ease in cough. There is reduced frequency and severity of asthma. And this is an independent technique, which means the person do not need to depend on a therapist or else a caregiver or else anybody else to do these exercises. So these exercises makes the person independent to work on the problems on himself.
Now let's have a look how to perform this exercise. First, breathe in and breathe out from your nose for a few times. Then, while breathing out, block your nose with the help of your hand. Then sway from side to side for 10 repetitions. After this, leave your hand and breathe in immediately. And then breathe out normally. Then again do the same procedure and repeat this procedure for 5 to 6 repetitions.
Now, if you are interested in knowing more about Buteyko method, make sure to visit www.butekobreathing.org for further information. The link to this website is mentioned in the description box below. This is not a sponsored video, but this technique is so much helpful and is so much easy for any person to adopt that I can't resist advocating it. So it has helped me a lot in dealing with my nasal blockage problem. So make sure to visit this website and learn more about this technique. There are a lot of patient resources and self-help guide available that you can use, and even you can contact with the Buteyko teachers who can help you in providing professional assistance. So, on that note, I'll end this video here. I hope you found this video informative. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.